Hey guys, after a long run of speculation, leaks and rumors, OnePlus is finally ready to unveil its latest OnePlus 8 series of smartphones. The OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro smartphones will launch globally on April 14th and in China on April 16th. So far, we have received almost all the specifications and features of both models in the OnePlus 8 series. Well, as it turns out, the rumor cycle has still not decided to give up on the OnePlus 8 series devices, as we have received a new leaked image of OnePlus 8 Pro smartphone. Here's the leaked live image of the OnePlus 8 Pro. As seen in the leaked live image of the OnePlus 8 Pro on Weibo, the device is shown flaunting a single punch hole cutout for the front camera, which is located in the top left corner of the device's display. Furthermore, the volume buttons appear to be on the left side of the device and the power button is seen on the right side of the device. The display of OnePlus 8 Pro is curved around the edges. Speaking of the display, the leaked live image of the OnePlus 8 Pro showcases the About the Phone section, where we can see that the device is equipped with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G mobile platform, which is paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The display of OnePlus 8 Pro is a 6.78-inch Fluid AMOLED display panel with 120Hz refresh rate. The device is said to feature a 3168 by 1440 pixel resolution. Apart from that, recently prices of both the models were leaked by a store. The cheapest model, the OnePlus 8 with 128GB storage, came in at 719 euros, that is approximately $780. The other models appear to have also highly increased in price. Price of OnePlus 8 with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage is 819 euros, that is approximately $890. Price of OnePlus 8 Pro with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage is 919 euros, that is approximately $998. Price of OnePlus 8 Pro with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage is 1009 euros, that is approximately $1095. If those prices are accurate, then we are looking at between $100 and $200 increases in the price across the range when compared to OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7T devices. That is a huge price difference, and it is quite against the company's own strategy of giving more in less possible pricing. But let's see, are these the actual prices? With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave, and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Raj, and I will see you guys in my next video.